Don't be afraid of the sun.
Is that what it is?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we've seen it illustrated over the last couple weeks where, I mean, it's like night and day with the clouds. The clouds will come out and you'll hook one every 5 minutes. The clouds will go away and you won't see one for an hour. They get a little skittish.
With this bright bluebird sky, we decide to make a change. Switch to a nymph rig under an indicator and find almost immediate success.
There's one. Nice.
That thing hit like a ton of bricks, man.
Yeah.
There's no mistaking that
Probably
fish.
on the zertle or the crane fly, I imagine.
Whoa. Just loving the boat.
Yeah. Nice bow.
Nice rainbow. Sweet. All right.
Gorgeous.
Good fish.
All right. We're looking at an average size of about 16 to 18 inches.
Yep.
This is a little thin for a fish down here. They tend to get pretty chunky.
All right. There she goes. That is fantastic. Thank you.
Yep, absolutely. There he is.
Nice.
Well done.
Good fish too.
Yeah.
On the second one.
Second one. Yep.
Yeah.
That little nymph.
Wow. Alyssa just caught. Whoa,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
a good fish.
Nice fish.
Alyssa just caught a rainbow on a tiny little number 20 dry fly, and we decided we switch things up and go with a hopper dropper outfit here. And second cast in, it's amazing. I love the hopper, right? It's your indicator and it's your fly.
Exactly.
Darker fish.
Yeah.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Great fish. Just fantastic.
Lovely.
All right, so let me see that's the fly it took.
Little tiny guy. That one's an 18.
An 18?
Yep.
Fantastic. Let's take a look, see what we're dealing with here. Oh, man, this fishery is fantastic. Again, there's not a great number of fish here, but they are quality and they are ready and willing to eat. Just unbelievable. There he goes. So when you come to a spot where you're seeing fish rise, take your time, pick it apart, have a couple of different weapons in your arsenal that you can throw at them, and expert guides will get you set up properly to catch probably one of the best rainbow trout eats I've seen in a long time. Just fantastic.
Ooh. Oh. Yep.
Oh.
Oh, did it break off? It's a beautiful place. I love being here. It's got great fisheries. I mean, within 2 hours of here, I have probably 100 different fisheries that I could go to at any given time. There's pretty much everything as far as freshwater fisheries go. Browns, rainbows, cutthroat, brook trout. There's grayling fisheries, there's pike fisheries, there's muskie fisheries, largemouth bass.
There we go. Good one. Oh, another rainbow. Sweet. Man, there's no shortage of big fish here, is there?
No.
And they are strong. So what's interesting about this fish, and a lot of the fish that we've caught today, is the placement of your casts. It pays before you come to a vacation or a fishing adventure like this, like we have here in Wyoming, to go to your schoolyard, a local schoolyard or a field, and actually practice different kinds of casts.
Absolutely.
And not only practice your casting just to shake the rust off, but to
Practice accuracy.
accuracy.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So we've been talking a lot today about accuracy in casting and how to place these flies underneath in the tight spots and anywhere there's little micro bays and things like that. And that's where a lot of these fish have come from, isn't it?
Absolutely. This one came from right behind that tree.
Look at that. That is a chunky rainbow.
Yeah, beautiful.
Just pinked right up.
Yep. Oh, not ready yet. Under the boat.
Oh, that's a cutthroat.
Nice chunky cut bow. It's a
Cut
hybrid.
bow.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, this one has a real defined chin strap there.
So the main trout species are browns, rainbows, cutthroat. And is cutbows considered a primary target species, or is that just an added bonus?
That's a bonus, and it's also something that occurs quite often. We get a lot of cutbows, but you can't always tell. Sometimes you can just tell by looking at the spot pattern. So you can see right under the chin there, there's that little orange stripe. That's definitive of cutthroat. You can also see the yellow in the flank there, and the placement of the spots. They're mostly focused on the back of the tail.
That was fun.
Beautiful.